The ability to detect, recognize, and identify threats at long distances is often the difference between whether or not there is time to react. The ThermoVision Ranger 3 is a third-generation portable long-range surveillance system, delivering crisp imagery from extended standoff distances. The Ranger 3 features a dual field of view optic system with 3 optical packages, allowing the user to match the sensor configuration to mission requirements. The dual field of view telescope options include the LR50-250mm lens, the XR 100-500mm, and industry-leading XR Plus Extended Performance 150-750mm lens. It is available with mid and large format sensors. The new advanced proprietary image processing delivers stunning imagery, even in scenes with extremely hot objects near targets of interest, an improvement over systems of the past that would bloom and make the video unusable. The environmentally sealed Ranger 3 utilizes the military standard 810F enclosure. The 810F will withstand temperature extremes, sand, water, ice, and salt spray, making it suitable for deployment in severe climates. Built-in heaters keep the Ranger 3's lenses clear in cold weather environments. The Ranger can be configured for portable or fixed use, networked installations, and with a variety of interface and power supply options. The powerful Ranger 3 delivers crisp imagery at multi-kilometer ranges and is optimized for mobile systems or field installations.